Reasons we needed a new deck: for one, it was very dated, very old. It also was actually kind of failing, had some saggy spots in it. We'd heard about Allstate's having a very good reputation, definitely well known through town. We had multiple bids come out here, but from start to finish, Allstate's really took care of us. They did a very good job with the presentation.
The communication between Allstate's and us was just amazing. Marcus came out a couple of times and gave us a presentation, and he was always very well communicated with us, and we just felt very comfortable with him. And then once we met with Jimmy, the lead construction, he was great too. He communicated with us as well. Jose and Bryson were amazing. They came every day. They worked very hard. They had to work through some of the rain, and then they came on the weekends, and they just really put a lot of hard work into this deck. We are so satisfied with our new deck, and we're so excited to have it back. We spend a lot of time out here, and it's beautiful, and they took their time, and they just did amazing work.
I definitely would recommend Allstate's. They were great from start to finish. I have quite a few friends that have been asking already, and I've already given out the name for Allstate's. So yes, definitely recommend them.